What's up, dude? What's up, guys? So today we're gonna play some hive skywars. No commentary. Starting in 3, 2, and 1. Wait, actually, guys, don't mind the background noises. It's just a YouTube video. That's someone watching. So, but in 3, 2, 1.
I've got a little bit of a mess here. I was wearing these pajamas. I've suddenly gone back to these. These are the ones from Amazon. And I love this like silvery platinum color. They're so pretty. So they're nice because they've got like the elasticated bottom and little sleep bed. I love them. Yeah, so I got these earrings from a company called Meshki, and I think they're so cool. Don't look too close at my nails. They need to be redone. I was literally moving a bunch of stuff around yesterday. So my nails are
This is
when I'm installing, moving a bunch of stuff. But a lot of fancy dresses. And as much as I trust Jack's judgment, as in I don't, that's the problem. Is Jack's criteria is not the same as my criteria. Just my criteria is do I look decent enough to go out in public, and Jack's is does she look decent enough to go to bed in this? So yeah, I don't know if they can hear you. Can they hear you that far away? So I don't think Jack's a very good judge, and I'm literally looking for a dress. I bought dresses for Haley's graduation, and then she informed me afterwards that I shouldn't have worn white, and I was like, every dress I bought was white. Because all of the kids in the kids, that's when you know you're old. You're calling graduates from college kids. For those people now, our kids are graduating, and yeah, they're all wearing white apparently. So I'm not going to be wearing white. See, it's all I've bought is white dresses. So I might just show you a couple of things. I've ordered some other black dresses. So far I ordered one that was florally and I hated it. So I didn't try it on. It was so pretty. Then I have this one. Like I'm trying to do something that's like kind of chic feeling, you know, but like still looks like I'm a mom. I'm not a graduate, so I bought that one. So clearly that will not work for the graduation. But I was thinking like summer vacation. I would actually wear this at home for work situations as well, and really need it anyway. So it's really pretty. I think it's Grant Polish. RAJE. I'll try it on later. Look at that timer. Wow, it's gonna be 9 hours long. We're always like too chatty. I'm like, get to the point, woman. All right, let's go make breakfast because I'm dying after breakfast. You have to attach the mic to me because I don't remember to take it with me. All right, so I am dying to have bagels. You walking? We got to get this back up. Get the mirror back up as well. Back in the laundry room because we can actually install that now.
No one hurts.
No, we moved it. I added electrical. I added a double electrical, so it had to move to the side either way. Yeah. So it's not him that did it. It was me. These little branches have actually lasted. They're from Lamb and Bush. I mean, I'm hoping they weren't for me. Well, anyways, we've got these amazing bagels for this morning. The funny thing is, I learned how to cut bagels. I work in a And one day, a lady said she didn't want that much cream cheese on her bagel. And I kid you not, he takes her out into the parking lot. And after that, I was like, he doesn't find any job. This guy is scary. I was afraid to say anything. I didn't know what he was going to do. So, yeah, that's my one bagel story. But if you're in Atlanta, go to BB's Bagel. We had 12. I think they actually gave us a baker's dozen. I think there were actually 13. The funny thing is the boys, he went out with my dad for breakfast, and they switched bags. And now I've got all of Dad's sesame bagels, and he's going to be watching this, going, all of our bagels, the cinnamon raisin, the blueberry, the chocolate, all sitting at Dad's house. And there's no way he's eating those. So, he's going to be upset, because it's like an hour drive for him to get there. So, do you want cream cheese? I've got avocado, and I should mention the cream cheese. This is actually really good. Amazon Fresh, plant-based cream cheese. I actually normally don't like any of the fake cheese products. See, I grew up eating cheese, so I know what the good stuff tastes like. So most of the time, I don't eat this stuff. This one, though, actually tastes like real cream cheese, and it's really good. And it was full. I opened it last night, and I managed to salvage a couple tablespoons here because everybody else ate it. It was that good. No, they won't eat it. No, they won't eat it. We have a couple kinds of cheese and some cream cheese. This one is really good. Now that I've chatted it up, do you want the last of that cream cheese? Do you want to try it? Now I'm going to have some bagel, and I think I'm bagel. I think I'm going to do the butter, the bagel, and I have some of that Greek honey. I might put that on mine. You could also put a egg on this, but I'm not hungry. What about you? Okay, so I want to try this one, and you haven't even seen this. I want to try. I would much rather have rhubarb, but if you can't do dairy, this Earthbound is the best. Yeah. Okay, so I just got this in. I got it off of Amazon. It's Greek honey. Be part of our story, and it's grecaicons.gr. Look at how pretty this comes. It's from Navarino. It's harvested from colonies of bees that forage freely to collect nectar from the abundant flowers that blossom in the region around Messenia. I mean, oh, bees really? Really? I mean, I appreciate the verbiage.